Well, hi guys, if you don't know me already, I'm Carolyn.
I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
I completely forgot to do an intro. So hi guys, I'm Carolyn and welcome back to my channel. I look bald. I have a ponytail. My hair was getting in the way when I was editing my video. And it's also really late right now, that's why I'm talking really quiet. Today I am doing a tutorial on this makeup look. The only difference is that my hair is down and my lip is a completely different color because I completely forgot to do my intro. So yeah, just playing with makeup and creating makeup looks that I personally enjoy, and I always enjoy watching other YouTubers and creators also create special looks that they enjoy doing. Camera focus. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and let's try to reach 100 thumbs up for this video. And let's get started with this makeup look. Starting off with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, just priming my eyes. Shadows lasts a lot longer. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette, my favorite palette, using that Red Orchard shade. And just starting from the outer corner and slowly blending that towards my eye. I'm also blending that up into the crease as well. Just keep blending. You want that transition color. I really enjoy creating looks. Just keep on blending. Next shade, I'll be taking this burnt orange color, doing that with the previous color that I just applied to make my eyes pop. Definitely out of my comfort zone. I'm just experimenting. Taking Tempera is more of like a lighter shade. Doing that in my inner corner to make my eye pop. To make it, I don't know how to explain it. It just looks nice like that. The Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Best liner I've ever used. Attempting to create a cat winged eyeliner. It's not always even, but I try my best. One side is always better than the other side. Comment down below if that happens to you too, because that always happens to me. It's hard to create the exact same cat winged eyeliner. Fill that in. You know what you're doing. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Always room for improvement. Come on. This is my favorite pair of lashes by Tarte. Literally makes my eyes so much more awake. There's the whole entire look together. Lashes is a must. Applying that on, try not to stab my eye with these tweezers. You can never be too careful. Roller Lash Benefit. Perfect tip, so good to apply on the bottom lash since I do have really short lashes. Light Camera Splash Mascara. Keep it voluminous. Mascara just adds depth and it creates more of a dramatic look. Since my lashes are really short, there's not much to it. So you do what you can. Benefit Brow. What I use to do my brows. This is amazing. I absolutely love this product. It stays. Just outline your eyebrow. Make sure to start from the inner part, working out to the outer part, if that makes any sense. Just filling in my brows. They are never even. Thank God for long hair to cover one side of my eyebrow so it kind of looks even. 15% SPF, which is really good for the summer. My lips are so dry. MAC Skin Finish Highlighter gives you such a goddess bronzy look, and that just under my brows. You could skip a step if you want. Really optional. Just applying that under my brows. NARS. Yes, this is a orange orgasm. Such a nice shade, going in with the whole orangey look vibe here. Orange eyeshadow, orange lips. This is what I don't usually wear. I'm just exploring the different shades and creating different looks. Now there's an up close of my lips for no apparent reason. Taking this highlighter, a different highlighter, onto my lips. Since this is a little bit lighter, it kind of gives it an ombre effect. I like to dust that on everywhere, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give me some feedbacks down in the comments below and let me know what you would want to see in my next video, or anything that I can improve on, and any constructive criticism that I could improve on. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.